What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kisaka and my YouTube channel name is It's Kisaka. So pleased to have you back again in my channel. I've decided to change my name from DJ Ninja to It's Kisaka. So in today's video, guys, I came across a certain video of a white lady. I think she is kinda a racist in my perspective. Let's look at the video first and then we come back and talk about it. So this is the video.
You're gonna be there. You're gonna be on TikTok. I'm gonna make you famous.
Island, Jamaica has its own Karen.
Look at her.
I'm racist.
Look at her. You think you're the only person have apartment here?
Sandcastle.
Eh?
Jamaica
I'm
Karen.
gonna make you famous. Good night now.
Jamaica Karen.
We are at Sandcastle, and this lady, I don't know where she from, coming to tell us we are squatters in Jamaica. Look at her. I'm going to make you famous.
Yes, go ahead and make
You think you're the only person that live here?
Tomorrow will be the front pages.
You're going to be there. You're going to be on TikTok. I'm going to make you famous. Racist. You little racist lady. Look at her.
I'm racist.
Look at her. You think you're the only person have apartment here?
Yes.
Eh?
Jamaica Karen.
I'm going to make you famous.
So this video was recorded in Jamaica at a place known as Ocho Rios. This video is was taken in a certain resort. It's one of the big resorts found in Ocho Rios, known as Sand Castle. And inside the resort, there's a bar known as Castle Blue. It's a bar and grill, and also inside the resort there are other recreation activities like swimming pool, which are open to the public, the swimming pool and the bar, while the apartments is being owned by several people. It's a lot of rooms, and in this video there's this lady who is an owner in some of the apartments. I think around 2 of them, but they are with several owners, around 100 plus other owners. So the whole situation started in such a way that there are black Jamaicans who are musicians, making their living by playing music. I think it is reggae music, if I'm not wrong, in that Castle Blue grill. I think to entertain the guests and whoever they get there. So they've been doing this for a while, and recently there's this white lady that we have just shown you in the video. It started by she went and cut down the sign that the Castle Blue grill had placed at the entrance of the resort. As I've told you guys, the resort is housing the apartments, at the same time the grill or the bar. So they had placed the notice, or rather the banner, on the entrance. So she started by first going to the entrance and cutting that banner, and she took the banner from the gate and went and placed it on the Castle Blue grill, or rather bar. When she did that, the employees, or that the Jamaicans who were there, didn't retaliate back. They just assumed and took the banner back and placed it on the gate. That was not enough. She further, at around 10 p.m. at night, when they were playing music, most of those employees that recorded this video are, I think, they're artists, and they were playing music. In one of the videos, the person playing showed one of the speakers, and they say that it's not a big stereo, he was talking of they were playing at around 30 decibels. Decibel is the level of measuring sound. So they were playing at around that 30 decibels. And the white lady, by the name, I think she's known as Island Karen, something. Karen. She came there and told them to switch off the music. At first, she told them that she comes in peace. They should reduce the volume of music, which they agreed, and put it low. But after some time, she came back and started. The altercation ensued, and as you can see from the way she has behaved, the lady of that age should not do that. First, if she has any issue with that place, she should have talked to the management and raised it with the management, so that maybe they can amicably come up with a solution. Also, another thing, if she realized that maybe she's not, she doesn't like sound, a lot of noise, of which she referred to the music that those guys were playing as noise. And in Jamaica is a country of reggae music, dancehall music. That is where music came up. So you can't just call the music noise. If she didn't like maybe musicians playing, or maybe the bar that is inside the resort, I think in the first place she shouldn't have bought that place. Even though we are not heard from her side, maybe she bought it thinking at that time maybe there was not, but that bar was not in place. I don't know, but the way she behaved was not that good. It's good to talk to people amicably and to respect them. Also, in that video, you have seen her showing middle fingers. It's not good. The lady of her age should not. I understand when one becomes angry, at times we tend to overreact, but that should not be the case. It's good to have some decorum, to respect one another, despite of different races, of a different level in the society. We should respect one another. The fact that she's a foreigner, I think maybe she sees the black Jamaicans as not having any importance at that place, which is not good. So to me, the way she behaved was not right. That was not right way to do it. And with some of the foreigners, it's good. Majority of them are respectful to the locals and give them employment opportunities. But there are some of them, a few of them, like Island Karen, the lady that we've just seen. They are the people that bring what we call, is it apartheid? By discriminating other people. In every place, even if you're a foreigner, like here in our country, when foreigners come to work, and especially on some of the projects by the government, they tend to give the locals first priority. Like when they construct like roads, the locals, wherever the road should pass, the locals are supposed to be involved and at least get something, so that there can be peaceful coexistence between the business and the locals. So the way she behaved, it's not good. If like the whole of the apartment owners could just go and behave in that manner, tell them to shut down their business, how will those guys survive? And those guys are depending on that to feed their family. I understand we have different perspectives. Like myself, I don't drink, I don't take alcohol, I don't support alcoholism. But in that case, if she was against it, she couldn't have bought that apartment in the first place from that. And those guys who are there are not the ones who she could have addressed. She could have gone to the management and raised the issue with the management and solve the case amicably. So I think this is wrong with her pointing middle fingers at her age. That is just wrong. Even if she was hungry, that is not right. There's a good way of solving that issue. Also in the video, guys, you can see the island Karen, or Karen, whatever she calls herself. She on the camera says from her mouth that she is a racist. I don't know, maybe she talked like that because she was hungry, but she admitted in herself to be a racist. And then you know, a thing like this cannot just happen out of the blue. Before people just take their cameras to record a situation, you must be a pain in the ass to them, so that they can start recording. You can see the one recording, the people recording were telling her that we are gonna make you famous on social media. They were doing that because I think she had reached a level where she was really annoying, extremely annoying to them, so that they took their cameras and started recording. And in the clip also you can see, I think there are some soldiers who are just standing there. I think they also understood, because they were just there. They didn't react because I think their soldiers also black Jamaicans. They saw what was happening. They were just paying attention. And the number of people recording, I think there were around 5. So that tells you that the lady didn't act right. So this is the video for today. Cheers, guys. And anything wrong should be condemned. I understand there are people the person recording the video say that there were also Jamaicans supporting Karen, or Karen, whatever she is called. But it's also good to get her story to understand more. But the way she behaved, that's not the right way. She should have followed the right channel. So cheers, guys. Thank you for staying tuned watching this video. If you have not liked this video, kindly do so, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you on my next video. Cheers.